Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make these 3 different flavors of yogurt dip sauces. So for the first sauce I used lemon, parsley, salt, cumin and yogurt. So combine all the ingredients and mix it. For the second dip sauce, I will be using salt, garlic, lemon, chives, and yogurt. For the last dip, I used black sesame seeds, za'atar, and yogurt. And if your za'atar does not contain salt, you can add additional salt. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.